Level 1, first contact. You wake up and the city feels wrong. The streets are empty. Nobody answers. Then you hear something in the dark. A shape moves behind the alley. It looks like a person, but it is not human anymore. You run before you can think. You hide before it sees you again. Your first lesson is simple. Survive first, understand later. Level 2, finding shelter. You finally stop running. Now you need somewhere safe. Every open door could save you, or it could trap you. You check every corner. You learn to stay quiet. You find your first supplies. But supplies make noise, and noise brings them closer. So you turn one room into your first shelter. Level 3, your first supply run. Hunger becomes your next enemy. You cannot hide forever. So you step back into the dead city. Every sound feels too loud. You find an old grocery store. The shelves are almost empty. You take only what you can carry. Then something moves behind the freezer. You do not fight. You survive by leaving before it is too late. Level 4, your first night. The sun disappears. Daytime felt dangerous, but night feels impossible. You cover every window. You turn off every light. The city sounds different in the dark. Your flashlight becomes your only sun. Then, something scratches the door. You stay still and breathe. By morning, you are still alive. Level 5, learning the rules. Fear slowly turns into rules. Rule 1, never run unless you must. Rule 2, never trust silence. Rule 3, always know the way out. You mark safe paths in your mind. You stop moving like a normal person. You start moving like prey. Every mistake has a sound. Every sound has a price. And now, you know the rules. Level 6, the water mission. The water runs out. Food can wait. Thirst cannot. You remember the grocery store storage room. So you go back outside. This time, the city feels awake. You find the water shelf. But every bottle is heavy. Heavy things slow you down. But water means one more day alive. Level 7, the first stranger. You hear another voice. At first, you think it is a trap. Then the voice asks for help. You forgot what people sounded like. Trust feels dangerous now, but loneliness is dangerous too. You share one bottle of water. You do not become friends. You become survivors. For the first time, you are not alone. Level 8, the horde outside. A sound rises outside. Not one zombie, not two, a whole horde. They move like a river, and your shelter is a rock in the middle. You cannot open the door. You cannot make a sound. So you wait, and waiting becomes survival.